How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another fantastic day in Wisconsin. The last week has been snowing, raining, sunny, warm, cold, all over the place. But today it's about 50 degrees, cloudy, overcast, not supposed to rain. So at least we can go out and enjoy one of the bikes, specifically the Buell. I pulled this out of the storage, which is the house, the other day. So let's get this thing started and go take you on a little ride, first ride of the year, which should be a whole lot of fun. Next week's video will probably be another new motorcycle. If you guys don't know or are new to the channel, I'm revealing kind of all the motorcycles in the collection, slowly but surely. So stay tuned for that. But let's get this thing started, heat in the motor, and take it out for a ride. From the fuel pump, and get this thing started and let it warm up. Took a little bit. I guess the battery was drained just ever so slightly, but we'll let it warm up before we take it out. Would you look at that? The sun has come out as well, so this should be enjoyable, I hope. That is a tornado siren, and today is now Wednesday at 11 o'clock. I think that's a good sign to head back home. I don't see a tornado anywhere, but the clouds are, I don't know if you can hear me, but like the clouds. Yeah, let's just say we should probably get back. It's also a little cold, but it's a lot of fun. But we'll be back another day, I suppose. Well, it seems like the siren has been turned off. I'm not sure whether or not there actually was a tornado, because today is Friday. I assume there wasn't, but I assume they're just putting in an advisory out there because we've had a tornado watch for the last couple of days. Regardless of that fact, that was a lot of fun, but a little too cold for my liking, honestly. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you guys next week.